What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm bringing you back another Cut the Rope walkthrough, this time walking you through Cardboard Box level 23. And if you needed help with any other Cut the Rope levels, just be sure to check the description. There will be a full playlist with all of my Cut the Rope walkthroughs, and you will be able to see any level you want for me to walk you through it. Moving on to the walkthrough though, you're going to end up slicing the top two ropes as you could see there so that there's only 4 ropes remaining. And then from here, you're going to hit the top right corner one to get that star all the way to the left. And then you're going to hit the bottom rope one, and then you could hit the one that is remaining to the left. And real quickly, as you cut that last rope, you're going to have to cut it quickly as the rope is going to swing with the candy, and you want it to swing so it is parallel with Omnum, and that bubble is going to rise right into his mouth. So it might take a little practice to be able to maneuver that move, but you should be able to get the hang of it fairly quickly. That's pretty much all there is to it though for this walkthrough level. If you did have any questions or were confused at all, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that though, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.